This is my Roman Chamomile Uplifting Blend. Now this diffusion blend is very floral and very playful and light. The way I think about this is we make love, not war with this blend. It's very peaceful. It helps turn any negative thoughts you have or any distractive thoughts you have into positive thoughts. It helps turn that negativity into light and helps you feel that self-love again. So it's very floral, very supportive, but there is patchouli in here, and patchouli's in here to ground us. Because sometimes whenever we're needing uplifted, we also need a bit of grounding in terms of finding our equilibrium again, or finding our North Star or our balance. So it's uplifting, but there is patchouli in there, okay? And that's the joy of different essential oils. Patchouli typically is a grounding essential oil, but when you pair it with Roman Chamomile and Clary Sage, it takes on a whole different world and a whole different effective meaning, okay? So this is my diffuser. I am going to take the top off. I've already put my water in, so put your water in up to the max line, and then we're going to add your essential oils. So we're going to go with 5 drops of Roman Chamomile, and it's beautiful. Very uplifting. Kids tend to not like it in my experience. So if you are planning to diffuse this around kids, you might want to get them to smell the blend. Just get them to smell the 3 bottles together before you make the blend. You don't want to make it and then not like it and then you waste the essential oils. So Clary Sage is next, and we're going to go with 3 drops of Clary Sage. Clary Sage is beautiful, and it definitely over the years has been pigeonholed as the woman's oil or the hormonal supportive oil, which it completely is, and it's earned that role. But I kind of feel like it's been pigeonholed into that category and we don't use it for anything else. And that's a pity, because it has a very diverse chemistry and a very unique aromatic scent that it's really beneficial for lots of different things, including uplifting your mood. So just be aware, if you've tucked it away into your female health kit, bring it back out again. It's useful for other things as well. Patchouli is my last one, and I'm going to use 2 drops of patchouli. Now patchouli is resinous, so it will be thick, it will pour very slowly, that's normal. So there you go, 2 drops of your patchouli essential oil. So to recap, you have 5 Roman Chamomile, you have 3 Clary Sage, and you have 2 patchouli, okay? Put the cap back on. It smells so beautiful. It's such an interesting mix of different essential oils. I typically am not a fan of Roman Chamomile, but I love it with Clary Sage and patchouli. It is beautiful. So try it and let me know what you think. But remember, this is your love, not war blend. It's there to uplift you and help turn all that negativity into self-love and positivity.